Hi there! Today at the Glasgow Science Festival, we're going to be talking about plastics. All sorts of materials are made from plastics. Some of the most common examples are crisp packets and water bottles, but lots of other things use plastic too, like cars, which can be made of 20% plastic, and buildings through things like pipes. Many toys and furniture items can also be made from or contain plastic as well, so there's really quite a lot of plastic around. In fact, around 50 kilograms of plastic is now produced for every person on the planet every year, and this number is only going up every year too. Now let's do a quick activity. Why don't you pause this video here and try and find 5 things made with plastic in the room around you. Hopefully, now you see that plastic is everywhere around us. Part of the problem is that plastic takes a long time to decompose, and all plastics take different times too. Plastic carrier bags take around 20 years to fully break down. Plastic water bottles, on the other hand, can last for up to 450 years. That's why it's important that we decrease the amount of plastic that goes into the environment, because it sticks around for a long time. Plastic becomes a problem when it's not thrown away properly, which is what happens to most plastic. Then it either gets dumped into landfill sites, where it can take a long time to decompose, or it can find its way into the oceans, where it can hurt fish and other sea creatures too. This is a big problem. Every single minute, around 1 truck's worth of plastic reaches the oceans. Scientists estimate that by the year 2050, the amount of plastic in the oceans could outweigh all the fish in the oceans put together.
There are many ways in which plastics can reach our oceans. These include through littering, through our drainage systems, and also through the wind blowing them from landfill sites. Plastic build-up, especially in our ocean, can cause several problems. These include harming our sea animals, contaminating our food and water sources, and also harming our planet. Breaking down of plastic can release carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that can become trapped in the Earth's atmosphere, contributing to global warming. So what can we do to help? Well, we can take part in something called upcycling. So what is upcycling, you may ask? Well, you've probably heard of recycling. This involves reducing the amount of plastic waste by sending it to be broken down and made into new products. Although this is very good at reducing the amount of waste, the whole process of recycling can be quite expensive and can produce gases that can harm our environment. Upcycling involves using plastic products already in our homes and giving them different purposes. For example, we can turn a plastic bottle into a plant pot. It cuts out the need to buy expensive products and is also better for the environment. Another plus of upcycling is that it can be very fun and allows us to be very creative. Want to have a shot at upcycling yourselves? Have a look at our how-to video and make your very own upcycle plastic plant pot.